The door is not tall enough to stand up and go underneath. So you gotta bend down and you always hit your back here. And I've cut this off about the level of the roof of the cabin. And I'm thinking I can fill this hollow here. I don't know if there ever was something there. Somebody added some wood there that is not there now. Partly because it kept hitting me in the back. But yeah, there's this hollow up in here. And I think if I put tape across it, I can maybe fill it with that spray foam. And once that's done, I can come back and sand a little radius all around and then put just one layer of glass to seal it. But I would really, really, really like this edge to have a radius to it and to not stick down any more than it absolutely has to. And actually from this perspective you can see that the roof is actually very thin, especially at the top. Some places I can see there's foam, which I thought might be fairly thick, but apparently not. So yeah, there's a lot of places like that that have to get fixed. And that one, and the one for the mast. It's everything with this boat. I guess I'm gonna get busy with cleaning this so the tape can adhere as good as it's going to, and taping most of it up so it's ready for the foam. I think once I start with the spray foam, those nozzles like to get clogged up real quick. So the can is one-time use. So I'm going to try and use as much as I can of it. First thing is the air conditioner gap. Right. And then the next thing I guess, and the next priority is the door. Tape this off. Build a tape dam here. And once all that's ready to go, then spray foam the air conditioner, spray foam in here, spray foam as much of that, and then stay away from it until it's done, whatever it's going to do. So I got a little hole there, and there, and there, and there, another one there to squirt foam in. We start with the air conditioner. Then we fill the top of the door, and then we do as much of this as we can with the one can of foam. And if there's any more left at the end, I'd be very surprised. Try not to waste any, because I'm pretty sure once you do it, you're not going to do it a second time. These things clog up. The spray foam is expanding quite a bit to fill gaps. And yeah, apparently that is working. I'm surprised how much this expands. I'm gonna get out of there before any of it drips on me. And yeah, hopefully we can do the door repair and much of the filling of that. So a new day has dawned, and this foam has hardened. And yeah, okay, it's not real hard. I can smush it, but it's harder than I expected. Okay, well, I got plenty of samples to do experiments with and see if fiberglass resin dissolves it. And I got some tape to peel. Peel some tape. Yeah, I'm gonna do more of that. This foam has turned out really nice. I can sand a little bit of a radius on here and then put some glass over it. I have now peeled the tape from the foam on the door. And I got me a Sharpie right along there. It's the tiniest crack there, which could be ignored, but I think I'll just lay a little bit more chopped strand in there and then sand the whole top. Alright, I've got some chopped strand mat over that foam, and at the moment it looks pretty good. And the resin is still wet, so, and it's a little after 5, so I'm done for the day. And this will be all set up when I get here tomorrow.